Hill journalists showed development works taken in the hills. Chief Minister asserts no question of inaugurating incomplete projects. Father of social work, Thongnaujam Iboyaima no more. He was 99 years old. MLA R.K. Anand says government is not scared of threats by NSA and IM-backed organizations. And a 41-year-old Manipuri woman has been sentenced to death by Malaysian High Court for drug trafficking. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. A PowerPoint presentation on the development works taken up in the hill districts of the state was held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The slideshow was held for the representatives of the Manipur Hill Journalists Union at a press meet held at Chief Minister's Secretariat. Addressing the press meet, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh categorically stated that the question of inaugurating incomplete buildings in the hill areas does not arise. He said the government wants the people to avail the benefits of the development works. Chief Minister also said 80% of the externally aided projects under the PMGSY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Tribal Area Inclusive Growth Infrastructure, PWD, North Eastern Council and Asian Development Bank, ADB, are taken up in the hill districts. Thongnaujam Iboyaima, popularly known as the father of social work, is no more. He passed away last midnight around 1 at Rims. He was 99, just 5 days short of 100 years. Thongnaujam Iboyaima was actively involved in a movement to achieve statehood for Manipur and other movements to bring about a better change in the state. He died of old age-related ailments. Representatives of various civil society organizations and individuals came to his house at Singzamei Thongam Lekai to condole his death. Floral tributes were offered at the mortal remains of the social worker. Thongnaujam Iboyaima was born on November 2, 1916 at Singzamei Thongam Lekai. He was founder member of Singzamei Girls' School, Singzamei Boys' School and Manipur College. He joined politics in 1958 and was president of All India Socialist Party Manipur branch. He was jailed for 7 months in 1960 in connection with the statehood movement. During his lifetime, Thongnaujam Iboyaima was awarded NIM Award by Educational Guide Center, Volunteer Award by International Volunteers Day, State Celebration Committee, and Dr. Iboyaima Cultural Harmony Award 2014 Lifetime Award by the Cultural Forum Manipur. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization declared him Father of Social Worker in 1999. In 2002, Integrated Manipuri Association Bangladesh gave him the title Manipuri Bandhu. Thongnaujam Iboyaima was the chief advisor of All Manipur United Clubs Organization and Irabot Foundation Manipur. Former Hengang MLA Nongthongbam Biren has condoled the death of social worker Thongnaujam Iboyaima. In a press release, Biren said the sacrifices made by Thongnaujam Iboyaima will be remembered by all. Apunba Manipur, Kanba Imalup Amkil also condoled the death of Thongnaujam Iboyaima. A team of Thobal Commando apprehended an active cadre of NSA and IM from Yairipok Bamon Lekai following the arrest of 7 cadres of the outfit in 2 days from the valley areas. The arrested cadre has been identified as Pingmaisom Simbrui alias Asho, 51 years, son of Laiching Simbul of Yaisom Khul in Ukhrul district. Documents of the group, a car, mobile phone and 3 SIM cards were seized from him. Investigation revealed that he is informed to be Hebron headquarters about the movements of security personnel. It may be mentioned that police arrested NSC and IM cadres after the Ukhrul incident of October 24. Congress MLA R.K. Anand today categorically stated that the NSC and IM was involved in the attack on the Chief Minister in Ukhrul on October 24, he said the government is not scared of the threats by organizations formed by the cadres of NSA and IM. The MLA was speaking at the inauguration of a community hall at Maitram Awang Lekai in Naurya Pakhang Lakpa. R.K. Anand said Ukhrul is part of Manipur and the state government will not remain silent when the chief minister was attacked when he went there in connection with development works of the district. He accused the NSA and IM of telling lies. He also accused the BJP of being double standard for indirectly supporting the attack on the chief minister. R.K. Anand alleged that the BJP is saying it will protect the integrity of Manipur while it is an ally of Naga People's Front (NPF). He also said it is unbelievable that the BJP MLAs and representatives are not aware of the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSA and IM. The MLA maintained that development works are being taken up in Naurya Pakhang Lakpa from time to time.
Ukhrul da NGO kharana ini sin IM ni mayam kadar mayam na siamba frontal organization mayam na ai khoi da threat toroga ki ga ba Manipuri state Meitei state tuan ba tribe na ter se langi ba communities hai ga dai Naga loina hajaroi kai no da only selected few na ni maje kadar hai ba se ga si thamdani ba sine thagai da do se kana no sine na thamdani se yam kan muk pa se kari gi no sine nan shut down doe Adu changaloi maranai todori bomb kapsan badugira bomb ne Manipur sarkar se bomb se gari leiram gani ye nomai me am ma leiye adu me am du sin rupa taraga di nangi thoda pa me ne sin ogira kana no he am ko na matawra padoi nai bo apun ne tanjani gizu.
District Congress Committee, District Mahila Congress Committee today held protests against the attack on Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh in Ukhrul on the 24th of this month. The Congress workers demonstrated in front of the District Congress Bhavan and shouted slogans against the attack. Women residents of Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council Ward number 4 today staged a sit-in against the attack on Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh in Ukhrul at Wangjing Market. The protesters also displayed placards against the attack, Tangkhul Nagalong and NSNIM. People also staged a sit-in at Thoubal Athopam Bazaar. The protest was organized by Athopam Village Mahila and Meira Paibi, councillor and ward development members of Thoubal Municipal Council Ward number 5. A 41-year-old Manipuri woman, reportedly a beauty parlor owner in New Delhi, has been sentenced to death by the Malaysian High Court for trafficking
from New
over
Delhi, India,
1.6 kg of drugs. Sangeeta Sharma Brahmachari Mayum was found guilty of trafficking in 1.6 kg of methamphetamine on October 7, 2013 at Penang International Airport. She was charged under the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952, which carries a mandatory death sentence on conviction. The Star Online reported that Sangeeta, who appeared subdued when the decision was conveyed to her by a court interpreter in Georgetown in Penang State, broke down later. Judicial Commissioner Azmi Arifin ruled that the prosecution had succeeded in proving his case beyond a reasonable doubt. He said he found Sangeeta, the former sister-in-law of a senior police officer, had knowledge of the drug in the suitcase she was carrying and hence was not an innocent carrier as was raised in her defense. Sangeeta was a beauty parlor owner in New Delhi, media reports said. Azmi said Sangeeta had testified in the court that she came to Malaysia to start a business buying and selling clothes from India to Malaysia on the encouragement of a Nigerian man named Prince. An aspiring candidate for Bharatiya Janata Party and daughter-in-law of former Chief Minister Young Masho Saiza, Soso Saiza, today launched her election campaign for the upcoming 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly polls in Ukhrul Assembly constituency. The campaign was launched at her residence in Ukhrul district headquarters today. Soso Saiza stressed the need for peace and harmony among different communities living in Manipur. She said she wanted to contest the election to develop education sector, sports and road communication in Ukhrul district. She also stated that an agency like the CBI should be made to probe the attack on Chief Minister in Ukhrul on the 24th of this month.
Hills and valley people should respect each other, should love each other. So if we want to develop our state, we must love each other. That will be my first priority. The next priority is in political, to decentralize in the system of governance, like power distribution, transparency in the system of administration. Thirdly, to facilitate peaceful settlement of political issues.
A training session for sector police officers and sector officers who will be on election duty in Thawal district was held at the conference hall of Thawal DC. DC Thawal, SP Thawal, SDOs, SDCs, police officers and sector magistrate attended the training. Pensions were distributed under the initiative of Khetrigao MLA Mohammad Amin Shah to people aged between 60 years and above, organized by Mohammuddin Shah Memorial Trust and Nongin Enterprises under the aegis of Khetrigao Block Congress Committee. 835 elderly persons were given pensions for 5 months. Those who were unable to get old age pensions under the state government and the central government will be provided pensions by Mohammuddin Shah Memorial Trust every month for 5 years. Amin Shah said as part of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba, around 2,000 Ningols, including the Ningols of Unit Congress Committee of Khetrigao, will be invited for a feast.
Khetrigao Kendra Manungda Laiba, Sai Humpugi, Mataki, Hansingi, 5-year plan scheme ni. Central government amadi state government na trust da maming yawarga laiba Kendra Manungi. Ahalaman imay bensing maming maming laiba singsi. Trust sina yamna maru ba kiro lama lauraga. Hai ba missing si akwena mohita makhalaga thagalaga mohita government gi adum boiba full fledged oiba adum ba beneficiary sarkar gi scheme lapa matam da moise matam jana mogi scheme dugi awana yahunda na akoi trust sina noina daita lauraga akoi khanna ba aidana akoi ngasi gi scheme se we ngasi launch tawjabani.
BJP Manipur Pradesh clarified that the president of Hengang BJP Mandal, H. Lukhoi, does not support any candidate in particular. Speaking to media persons at his office at Nitipya Chuthek, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, R.K. Shivchandra said, BJP Manipur Pradesh is not aware of the report in some media that Hengang BJP Mandal supports P. Sarat Chandra. He also said it is unfortunate for BJP Manipur Pradesh. He further mentioned that the party will take disciplinary action against those self-styled candidates who consider contesting elections on the popularity of the party and become an MLA.
ngasi bawda Manipur BJP ki history da hojitagi hona mandal lamana partiality leina candidate amada kanana gi dawta sem saba tawgre abse pura sajana ba misleading oiba BJP bu hekta mingchat thina na ba taw sarat kumba BJP yaubiri ba mayam sing da khoini yam clear oin thamjaning badi BJP ki chawkhala iba BJP ki popularity sida tonga vote ka ge masida chance la hoge haiba tawi gano al BJP ki ticket phangda yade aidi MLA oi hoda yade ka da yaro aigi apambaduna laibaki interest gi hena lui harak targa Manipur BJP Pradesh na tumina laithoi koi disciplinary committee da koi thadharaga yamna thune action lawne.
Former Vice President of All India Trinamool Congress, M.I. Khan, and Executive Member Moirang Them Thoiba have joined BJP Manipur Pradesh today. A reception was held for them today at Nitipya Chuthek. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, KSH Bhavananda, General Secretary MLA Thongam Bishwajit, and other important members of the party attended the event. Speaking at the event, Bhavananda said he warmly welcomed all who have joined the party out of love and respect. However, he cautioned them to abandon the thought of fighting the upcoming assembly election on the party's ticket. Poster campaign of BJP aspiring candidate of Kairao Loirambam Rameshwar kicked off today at Kiamgai Mamang Likai. As part of the campaign, Loirambam Anganghal Memorial Trust Kiamgai Mamang Likai distributed pension to 2,000 elderly persons, handicapped persons and widows. An 18-year-old girl has been missing since the 7th of this month. The missing girl is identified as Yumnam Sanatombi from Sagulban Bijoy Govinda Mamanglekai, daughter of Y. Bimol. Mother of the girl, Menika, today told the media persons at the office of Kanglei Ima Lup, Uripok, that Sanatombi left home around 3 in the afternoon that day. She said they thought she had eloped, but she remained untraceable. The mother said they even went to the house of R.K. Swami Kumar of Sagulban Bijoy Govinda, Maninglekai, to inquire about her. She said the house was locked when they went there and it is still locked.
Mase akoina tigacharuda mase phagiba nupamsa akoina hana karigumba singna khara leibadagi RK Swami Kumar ko wangang se thijarubani mayumju thonglonduna loina leirame thibam khangdadana koingaungdadana leibadagi lekai gi imasing mayam tanaraba matungda mari leiyanga organization singchida thibina ba mateng pangbiu haina akoina chi mayam ama thanggajaraba matungda ngasi aina media gi thongda icha thiba
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯁ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯒꯅꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯐꯖꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯐꯪꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯁ
ngasimak lengshinbiro Diwali kumhai amadi ningol chakawbagi mangoinana ningol singna set chabada pakcharagadaba pijet laiteng kaya Silaima Emporium singjamai chinga mangkha opposite oinamler ngasimak lengshinbiro.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Radigo with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak anigalising ni punipan piba car asigi feature singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro gari asi ngasimak showroom da laktuna leire test drive kidamak lengsin birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Radigo.
Pengba ngaton Pangbiragani, Ningol Chakobugi Manguin and Mapungari Faraba Pengba Amadi Ngaton, Ningol Chakobugi Damak discount supizeri, Ngaton KG Manga lay with the KG am a free, Pengba KG Tara lay with the KG am a free the pizeri, Akak Navamatamni, Nasimak Lengshin Biroktan order to be ho, Pangpam, S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm, Hyang Tang Bazaar.
Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite Town Ground Labor Store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle Store Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite Town Ground.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. President of Transporters and Drivers Council, Aish Ranjit, has stated that 70 to 80% repairing work of Imphal-Ziribam National Highway near the Makru Bridge undertaken by the council from the 21st of this month have been completed and the road is now motorable. Speaking to media persons at the TDC office at MG Avenue, Ranjit said Secretary and other members of TDC took about 160 heavy trucks, 3 JCB and 7 Tata Dipper and began the repair work on a war footing from the 22nd of this month. He said 70% of the work were done by 25th of this month and people are witness to it. Ranjit also said the repair work will resume after the Ningol Chakoba festival. He told the media persons that the BRO also extended cooperation in the repair of the road. He refuted the allegation by a section of the people that the TDC is making profit from the repair work. Ranjit said the TDC did not even take a single rupee from the government.
TDC na thamgima wafam akhoi lengoi akhoi sungsoi soidana tawgani Manipur praja gi damakta transporter mayam gi damakta passenger mayam gi damakta akhoi ngasi su akhoi lepi ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯌꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯂꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
2-day, 3-tier training on water quality issues and groundwater stress areas begin today at Wankai High School, hosted by Imphal Geo Environmental and Technical Services. The training is organized by Central Groundwater Board, Northeastern Region, Guwahati, under the aegis of Rajiv Gandhi National Water Training and Research Institute, Raipur. Former SE of PHE Department, PH Yaimer, spoke on water scarcity in the state. He said despite good rainfall, both the valley and the hills are facing drought-like situation due to unchecked felling of trees. He cautioned that the people of the state will face water scarcity problem in 2050 with the increase in population if measures are not taken to tackle the problem. As part of the training program, quality of water will be checked in various areas.
Hujik yung udah part of the lady. Lampir part ni lagi udre. Lady berapa? Is the lady berapa? Angin part lagi. Korang part sulit lagi lagu ya. Ha, korang part lagi. Ada kali apa? Sigi akam part udre. Ha, sangat udre. Ha, list itu yang lagi apa? Part itu sih lagi.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA strongly condemned the holding of interview for recruitment of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsa primary, upper primary and graduate teachers under Directorate of Education S. Speaking to media persons, KSA President Moirangthem Lakshman said the mode of interview, which is based on 80% of mark basis while 20% on interview performance, is inappropriate. He asked the authority to conduct written tests and warned to file a PIL if the Chief Minister and Education Minister do not look into the matter.
Lampian parta leriba education S ki office asida ngasi interview pangthol bantagi KSA ki makai dagi makoi thomisina changsin dana office da interview adu thuai bigi khoi khongjang changsin jagi leire makhatana KSA makai dagi mari leinaba marun education minister amadi Honorable CM mafam da thamjaning basi education sector asibu akoi maham taraba khunai am othokpa yaba pemam amada mark basis amadi interview ki performance yengaga oja logune haiba khongpham asi mahirosing interest da athum matam hondokpiu loina KSA ki makai dagi su lenga asigi mang taningai oraba khongthang asig mayokta lepalaitana hanbalaita khongjang changsi jaki.
Superintendent of Police Imphal West has introduced new traffic rules in view of the upcoming Diwali, Govardhan Puja and Ningol Chakoba. According to the new traffic rules, four-wheelers, auto rickshaws and two-wheelers will not be allowed to enter the Khwairambal Kaithel from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. from November 1 to 3. Commuters can park their vehicles at Kesampad bus parking, Moirang Leirak bus parking, Nagamapal stretch, temporary set and the entire market. Residents of Old Assembly Road, Alugali, have expressed serious concern at the parking of heavy trucks loaded with different items throughout the day. They allege that the drivers park their trucks in the evening and start shelling the goods direct from the truck throughout the day. They urge the authority concerned to look into the matter to avoid the inconveniences. Disabled People's Organization ADPO was held at Nupilal Memorial Complex. As part of the function, supporters and selected members of ADPO were felicitated. Speaking to Impact News, ADPO Secretary K. Michael Mitai said they have registered the organization this year and they have 40 members. He said the organization will help in providing schemes to beneficiaries in the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯨꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯁꯥꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯟ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯔꯤ.
Workers of all Tribal Chief Forum were felicitated by Sadar Hills Chief Association at Damdai Multi-Purpose Hall, Talolong Village under Sadar Hills. Speaking at the event, President of ATCF Tongpu Kipgen said the state government must consult the chiefs of the villages before they implement any new acts in the hills. He said problems will arise in the future if the acts are implemented by the state government without consulting the chiefs. ATCF also announced a list of work undertaken by them in the past and its achievements. They include withdrawal of new Land Use Policy Act, allocation of Manrega fund line by the department, pressuring the government not to object the appointment of village chiefs and as ex-official chairman as per the Manipur Village Authorities in Hill Areas Act 1956 and withdrawal of the 3 bills passed by the Manipur Assembly.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯪꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯆꯤꯐꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯔ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯟ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯅ ꯐꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ implement tꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯟ ꯂꯧꯗꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯄꯪꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯆꯠꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Manipuri feature film Thaba, made under the banner of Nongin Digital Media Service, was released today at Usha Cinema, Pauna Bazaar. Veteran politician Okram Joy released the film. Hamom Sadananda, Apsara, Chinglen, Tolhal, Mombi are the main cast of the film. Hill and Valley Development Organization is organizing Miss Paradise 2016 Manipur on December 15 at Bhaigachandra Open Air Theatre. Addressing media persons at Singzamai EGC Club Committee on Miss Paradise 2016, convener Sapam Rameshwar said representatives of 36 communities in the state will compete and present their traditional attires. The winners of the show will get a chance to tour neighboring country Myanmar for 3 days. The winners will be Grand Ambassador for Manipur Athletic Association and Manipur Arm Wrestling Association.
ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯍꯣꯡꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ. ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜ ꯆꯛꯆꯥ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯗꯥꯏꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association will organize Adventure and Water Sports Festival from November 21 to 30 during the Sangai Festival 2016. MMTA has asked its members and volunteers to report to the MMTA office on November 2 before 12 noon with 2 recent passport photographs. In sports, the first state-level Mukna Jatra Festival kicked off today at Ima Kunthok Hanbi Sanglen on DM College campus. The festival is organized by Krida Bharti Manipur Prant. Titular King Lysenba Sanachauba Saha Sangthan, Krida Bharti Sanjay Tiwari and Dean of Social Science Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendro were among those who attended the opening event. The festival will conclude on the 30th of this month. The fifth and sixth rounds of the second Manipur Open Chess Tournament were played today at Kangsang at Khuman Lampak Sports Complex. S. Premjit with 5.5 points is in the lead. K. Sanjoy, G. Inao, Malay Sai, Dahu and Sifsan Kaising have won 5 points each, while L. Lal Gopal, Aish Maniton, Aish Jackie, E. Sashikanta, K. Pore Khomba and Ronald Swibam have won 4 points each. 102 players are competing in the tournament. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Hill journalist shown development works taken in the hills. CM asserts no question of inaugurating incomplete projects. Father of social work Thongnawjam Ivoyama no more. He was 99 years old. MLA R.K. Anand says government is not scared of threats by NSA and IM-backed organizations. And a 41-year-old Manipuri woman has been sentenced to death by Malaysian High Court for drug trafficking.